Hi guys, it's Matt here from the Forex Coach, and just looking at the dollar yen for a potential push higher here. So looking for a run up to sort of 110, 109.30 here, which would just bring me up to, on the daily chart, this price envelope. So on the 5-minute chart, I've just got oversold here. So I think I'm ready to take an entry. Okay, just back. I've managed to get that trade in. I was just messing about with my charts there. I'm just changed over platforms recently and gone back over to a spread betting account, and I was just playing about on my platform, my charts, my backgrounds and stuff like that, and I was trialing a white background. However, I just don't enjoy the white background. It's quite straining on the eyes, so I think the darker background is something that I do prefer. So I've just gone back over to that. But so we have got this trade on. I've got the target price up here, as I said, just below this price envelope. It's currently sitting at 109.371, and we have also got a stop here just under the low. And it's a matter of sitting and waiting and seeing how this now plays out over the course of the next few hours. Now, there will be a take profit along the way, without a doubt. We're definitely going to get a lot of resistance as we go up. One key area that I'm looking out for is this 100 period moving average. So depending on how this trade plays out, there will be some sort of take profit up there. Okay, so we've pushed up here a couple of times. We have failed to break through this level, so I'm just looking for this now to be the attempt where it does break through, and then what I'd like to see is a push higher up to these sort of levels up here somewhere, 108.90. Okay, I'm just going to take half off this position now, and I'm going to move the stop up as well. So I'm going to go push up here. So I've just closed half off, and what I'm going to do is trail the stop up now to the to this low here. Okay, so that's half the profits off this, and I've now just tried to stop up to this low, and that is now a risk-free trade. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trail this target price down a bit, because with this move that it's got at the moment, it's got the potential that it could get straight up to this moving average that we're targeting here. Pretty quickly, in which case, if it does do that, then there's the chances that it could have a big pullback, in which case I could get back in for that, to get up to that second target. So that's the plan there. So just trailed this target price down to see if I can catch this move up to this 100 period moving average. Okay, I'm just getting ready to close out this trade here, because I mean, it's getting close to this moving average, but there is some resistance up here, and I have got other exposure on the dollar yen to the long side. So as far as the day trades goes for this video, I'm happy just to exit there. It's coming up fairly close here to this this moving average, so it'd be nice to see if it could get up to hit that moving average. But as far as this trade goes, taken off the 5-minute chart, it's had a good push up there, so it could pull back, and if it does, there'll be opportunities to get further entries there to the long side. So just going to keep my eye on this, because as I say, I've got another trade long here on another account. So if it does get up to this, then I'll probably be looking to close that one out as well. Okay, it's actually gone, so I've just closed out of the other trade which I had on as well. But as far as this trade's gone on this account, you can see there the P&L for this trade, 183. You got the two halves there, which have been closed out at a profit. So you can see the first half came off £74, second half 109. That was just a one lot trade. I would like to have got a second lot in on that, but it just never gave me the opportunity there. But as I say, I had a couple of other positions open anyway, so it was a good trade. I'd like to see this pull back. I think we've got the potential for further upside now with this, and I would like to see this come back down over the course of the next hour or so. And if we can get it to come back down, then potentially there might be another opportunity to get a long trade that we can leave overnight on this. Okay, I'm going to wrap the video up here. As I say, I'm going to look for that additional entry. It looks like potentially we have got some dollar strength coming back in now. We can see that we've had these you know, a bit of sell-off on the euro dollar. We are in the area where this can bounce and pull back higher, so it'd be interesting to see if we do get a strong close like this today, and we do get a retracement, then there will be some opportunities to get short. Still, in the back of my mind, we've got this trend line up here, which didn't quite get hit. However, you know, it doesn't have to on this occasion. It could come off and then have another attempt to come back up to it later, but there's always the risk here that we could see this come up. So reluctant in a way to take any swing shorts on this at the moment, but definitely from a day trading perspective, there's plenty of opportunities. So I hope you've had a good day's trading, and I'll be back tomorrow with another video.